Hey y'all, Nate here, Nate's Classic Cars, back again. Like I always tell you guys, we like showing you rare ones. And today in front of you, we've got a super rare 1969 Ford Mustang sports roof. But what makes this one so rare, this has a 428 Super Cobra jet, Ram Air, as you can see the shaker sticking out of the hood. And what makes this one even a little more special is it is a W code, so 430 gears, one of just a few ever built. This has a beautiful Acapulco Blue paint job, one of the most desirable colors of all the years, really. You can see those Argent wheels, which was an option. Speaking of options, this one got competition suspension, another rare option. See those polyglass Goodyear tires. Beautiful Acapulco Blue paint job laid on all original Ford sheet metal. Chrome and trim look good on this one. This is actually a 9-year restoration. And it's finished a few years back. So, you know, a couple little parts. Show just a touch of age, but all in all, this thing was restored to be one hell of a car. Using all original assembly line components and also NOS components throughout. So we'll take you to the interior. Beautiful original seats. Good looking door panels. Original dash pad. See the mileage on there, 52,000. So beautiful inside and out. You can see that shaker hood scoop, Cobra jet. Original headlights. What I like most about the 69 is that 4 headlight setup. You add that with that shaker hood, really gives a hell of a look. So here you go under the hood. You can see this car was restored fairly recently, like I said. This car was built in the San Jose plant, originally sold in Phoenix, Arizona. So a really dry car. See that oil cooler? Obviously, like we said, Super Cobra jet drag pack. Show you around here. Some of the phosphate components. We need to re-oil, but all in all, pretty good car. This does have a Group 27, which I'll show you in the trunk, but we got a Group 24 in it now just to run. Original smog hoses. You can see those. It does have a aluminum intake, kind of the story with this car. You know, the original owner, the guy that this one was bought off of, put a aluminum intake on it, and the current owner thought it would be cool to kind of leave that as part of the history of this car. So, as you can see, very well sorted, very well detailed. San Jose built. That's why you get a lot of these, you know, which we're used to, a lot of Dearborn cars, that being batch paint, and the shock tower braces being batch paint, but a little different on a San Jose. So let's take you around. We'll show you the trunk of this one, show you some of the goodies within that trunk. Car light glass throughout. I always like pointing that out. Original glass on this car. You can see the original spare tire still in it. Here's that Marti report. This is what everybody likes to see these days. So you can see 430 track lock, Phoenix ordering division. This is where it's sold. Canyon Ford, pretty cool name. Acapulco Blue paint. And you come down here, you can see that competition suspension, the Argent wheels, race mirrors, tint glass, power steering, power brakes, and most importantly, right here, Super Cobra jet drag pack. So very few of these non-Machs and non-GTs ever built. Actually a super rare car here. One of just a few ever built. You can see the copy of the build sheet there. It also comes with a few goodies here. You know, it's the Going Thing value book. It's the Going Thing Ford Division product, intro, and obviously the 69 owner's manual. Here was that Group 27 battery we were talking about, and you do get the battery heat shield there too. So that'll come with it. All right, well, we're gonna hop in it, fire it up. We'll show you guys how well this Super Cobra Jet runs. All right, here we go. We're gonna fire this 428 Super Cobra Jet up. Here we go. Hey, I got a little weak battery, but we got her fired up. As you can see, she'll run pretty damn good. The 428 Super Cobra Jet up. Let's take you back. Let you hear that exhaust a little bit. Scott Fuller exhaust system on this one of the best. Really sounds good. It's a non-GT tips. Got the turn downs. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. We got Paul with me. We're gonna take this Super Cobra Jet down the road and show you guys just how well this one runs. We'll shift it through the gears a little bit, get her going. As you can see, real good look. Looking out the hood, you got that shaker hood scoop. Kind of one of the coolest things I think Ford ever did. So, as you can see, shifts good. And she runs good.